Hello children, welcome in class 2. Hello children, welcome in class 2. Take your notebook, pencil and eraser with you so that you can write with me. Okay? So, in this video today we are going to see the revision of subtraction. Whatever you have learned in class 1, just I am going to see that whether you have remember or no. Okay? Those things you have already learned. So, you are going to write with me. So, number 1, tick the correct answer. Full stop. From there, A, okay? A, 60 minus 0 is equal to, there are 3 options. How many options are there? 3. Among them, you have to choose one and you are going to tick to the 1. So, what is the question? Tick the correct answer. A is 60 minus 0 is equal to, in the option below that it is given 0. Option 1 is 0. Is that correct? Option 2, 4. Is that correct? Option 3 is 60. So, which one is correct? Option 3. 60, that is a correct. So, you are going to tick in that box. You all are going to write the same sum with me. Leave one line and 2. What is the next one now? I will give one more example. Okay. 7 minus 0 is equal to, option 1 is 7. Option 2 is 0. Option 3 is 8. So, which one is correct? 7. Number 2 is 7 minus 0 is equal to. Suppose, just I am giving an example. Your mummy has given you 7 chocolates and your brother is asking to give you and you are not giving 0. You are giving 0 to your brother. Okay. So, how many chocolates are left with you? So, number itself 7. So, that is our answer. So, option 1. So, you are going to tick on the option 1. So, is that clear for you all? Okay. One more example we will see. Okay. One more example. Which one we can take? 15 minus 0 is equal to, option 1 is 7. Option 2 is 15. Option 3 is 0. So which one is correct? Among them, which one is correct? Option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. That's good. Okay. Now, I'm giving 2 minutes to write your work. Okay. So, you all are going to write these sums. Okay. Are you all writing? Everybody has to write in the maths notebook. Okay. Chalo, we'll go to the next question now. Number 2. Number 2. 34 minus 3. This is a 2-digit number subtraction. And here 3 options are given. Okay. So you are going to tell me which one is a correct one. 34 minus 3 is equal to 4. Okay. Option 2 is 34 minus 3 is equal to 31. And option 3, 34 minus 3 is equal to 37. So you are going to see that which one is correct. So first option, in first option, this is a 34. In tens column 3 is there. In a ones column 4 is there. So do we write 3 like this? When single one digit number is given to subtract, do we write like this? No, we write in the tens column. So this option is correct? No, this first option is not a correct. Next option is 34 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 and 3 comes as it is because we did not borrow any number from the tens column. So this option 2 is correct. And here what? Option 3 is what is given? 34 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 7. Is that correct? No, because the child has done addition over here. 4 plus 3. What he has done? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 3 as it is. So that is why they have got 37 answer. So among them, which one is correct? Option 2. Option 2 is a correct. So you are going to tick to the option 2. 34. You have to check how is the method, how you are going to arrange the numbers. On which number should be written on the tens column and ones column. Is that clear for you all? Okay. Now we will go to the next. One more example. Okay. This is a B1. What we will take? 27 minus 2. In option 1 it is given 27 minus 2 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 2 comes as it is. So which one is correct? You have to check that. And option 2 is 27 minus 2 is equal to 7. Okay. Then option 3 is given 27 minus 2 is equal to 29. So among them, which one is correct? We know that 7 minus 2 is equal to 4 and 2 comes as it is. So option 1 is the correct. Okay. Is that clear now? Oh, sorry. Here is a 5. So option 1 is a correct. Okay. Understood all of you? Now we will go to the next question. These things already we have learned in a class 1. Yes, 1 digit subtraction, 2 digit subtraction. So we have to remember that subtract the ones first and then the tens. So you can write in your notebook that this is remember to subtract the ones first and then tens. This we have learned in a class 1 only, okay? But just to remember you write down in your notebook. Remember to subtract the ones first and then the tens. Suppose if I give you any number here, for example, the same number we will give 34 minus 2. So you have to write here tens and ones. So from where are you going to start? Remember to subtract the ones. First you have to start from the ones column. You have to start from the first column. So 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. If you don't know how to do the subtraction, so you can write first numbers. You can draw any object. Suppose line. I am showing you by showing the line. Draw the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. From that, how many numbers I have to subtract? 2. So you can subtract 2. Cut 2 from 4 lines. 1, 2. How many numbers are left over here? 2. How many lines are left over here? 2. So you are going to write the number 2 below the ones column. Is there any number to subtract in tens column? In tens column, is there any number? No. So you are going to write the number 3 as it is over here. So our answer will be the 32. So this is an example just I have shown you. Okay. Now I will be giving you some more examples and you are going to write down in your notebook. Okay. Number 3 is subtract the following. Subtract the following. Subtract the following. A, 8 minus 1 is equal to B, 5 minus 4 is equal to, and C, 28 minus 12. D is 47 minus 12. Chalo, start from the A. Chalo, we will do with the A. 8 minus 1. Suppose I have 8 chocolates with me. How many chocolates I am having with me? 8 chocolates. From that, I gave one to the one boy. So how many chocolates are left with me? So answer will be the 7. Answer will be the 7. This is a 1 digit subtraction. This is a 1 digit subtraction. We will go to the B. We will go to the B next. Okay. 5 minus 4. 5. You can count on your finger also. Take your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From them, how many subtract you have to do? Number 4. You have to subtract the number 4. So, subtract 4. Cut 1, 2, 3, 4. So, what is left? Only one finger. So, your answer will be the 1. Okay. We'll go to the next, C1. Now, these are 2-digit numbers. These are 2-digit numbers. Already I have told you that always you have to start from the ones column, from the right to left. You have to go to right to left. So, now here we will go to the ones column first of all. So, what is the number over here? 8 minus 2. What is the number over here? 8 minus 2. So, start counting. Otherwise, yesterday also I have told you how to subtract. Okay. Second number is 2. So, from 2, after 2, you can start counting till you get the number 8. After 2, you start counting. See, I will show you once. Okay. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, what answer you have got? 6. What answer you have got? 6. So, this is a easy way you can use this. Okay. Now, your 2 minus 1. So, this is a easy one. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, what is our answer now over here? 16. We have got here 16. 6 in a ones column, 1 in a tens column. Okay. Now, we will go to the next number. What is the next number? 47 minus 12. So, same way we will do it. Okay. First of all, we are going to start from the ones column. We are going to start from the ones column. Okay. So, again the same way you can do it. Easy way. You can use the easy way method. After 2, you have to start the counting numbers after 2. Till the number comes 7. Okay. After number 2. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what is the answer here? What we have got? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. And 4 minus, in a tens column, what is the number? 4. In the first place, 4. And in second place, 1. So, 4 minus 1 is equal to, if you don't know how to do it, you can start counting after 1, 2, 3, 4. So, how many fingers I have got? 3. So, what is our answer over here? 3. So, what is the answer full? 35. 35. Our answer is a 35. Okay. Chalo. Now, we'll go to the next. Now, let's see. This also one more point I am giving you to write in your notebook, that we have already learned that subtraction means taking away. Subtraction means taking away. So, you can write that point. We have already learned that subtraction means taking away. You can remember this point. Otherwise, you can point down. You can write down in your notebook. Okay. And Chalo, write down this answer, this point. Okay, now we will go to the next. We will see the properties of the subtraction. Does anybody know properties of subtraction? Now I am going to tell you the properties of subtraction. There are two properties. How many properties are there? Two. Two properties are there. Properties of subtraction. A, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Difference is the number itself. For example, leave one line and then we will start here. For example, 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. I have 4 balls. And I have not given any ball to my friend. So, how many balls remain over here? 4 only. Okay. So, just at the beginning only I have taught you today. Today only I have taught you this how to do. In the revision only. In first question. Take the correct answer in that question. I have taught you that how to do this, and that was learned in the class 1. Okay. So 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Okay. So one more example I will show you. We can write one more example of this. Let's see. You can take any number. That can be a 2-digit number, 3-digit number. Okay. You can take any. Now I will show you of a 2-digit number. Okay. 40 minus 0 is equal to the 40. Okay. This is one more example. Now you can take the 3-digit number also. 123 minus 0 is equal to 123. You will get the same answer. So what is a property of 0? Properties, this is a zero's property. Okay. 0. We are studying about the 0. When 0 is subtracted from a number, from any number, the difference is the number itself. We get the number same. We get the answer. We get the number itself. Okay. Same way we can take the 1-digit number, 2-digit number or 3-digit number. Okay. So first that number is not here. Just I will write over here. Okay. So this is a 1-digit number. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. We get the same number answer. Yes. And here this is a 2-digit number. 40 minus 0 is equal to 40. So we got the answer itself, a number itself answer. Here also same way. 123 minus 0 is equal to answer. We got the same number itself, 123. Okay. So one more property is there. That is when the same number is subtracted from a number, the difference is the 0. The difference is the 0. When we subtract the same number from the same number, we get the answer 0. We get the answer 0. Okay. When 0 is subtracted from a number. The difference is the number itself. Okay. Again I am showing. Can I show you some more examples? Okay. I will show you some more examples. Here is a 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. So answer we got the 5. Why? Because here is nothing. You have do not subtract anything. Here is a 0. You have a 5 chocolates and your friend is asking you to give a chocolate and you are not giving. Your nothing means it is nothing. So how many chocolates are left with you? 5 only. Number itself, whatever how many whatever number is there of chocolates, that much only you have left with you. Okay. Next, one more example I will show you of 2-digit number. 62 minus 0 is equal to 62. Yes, understood? In the same way, I will show you in a tens ones. Okay, just a minute. If you have do not understand this way, I will show you in a tens and ones. So this is a tens and ones. This is a number 52 and subtract 0. So what answer? 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 and the number 5 as it is. Understood now? Okay, that's good. Okay, whatever Google Forms I'm sending, that you have to write down in your notebook and submit it to me. Okay, bye bye. See you next time.